Do you know the best part about veg noodles? They are very easy to make with just few simple ingredients and some basic cooking skills are all you need. Now let's see how to chop the vegetables. I think you all know about the term called Julienne cut, right? So let's learn how to do this. Take one carrot, peel it, chop the both ends, then cut this carrot into two halves. Take one half and cut a small slice and place this side facing towards the chopping board. This will stabilize the carrot. Now start cutting slices and stack all these slices together as shown in the video. After stacking the carrot slices, start chopping them into long thin strips. Now let's put the carrot juliennes in a plate and move on to the next vegetable. Here I have taken green bell pepper. For any bell pepper, cut the top and base of the bell pepper. Then make it stand straight and put a slit on any side as you see in the video. Then keep rotating the bell pepper and start slicing the inner part. So this is how you get a strip shaped bell pepper. Now chop them vertically and place them in a plate. Repeat the similar cut with the yellow and red bell peppers as well. Don't worry if you don't have yellow and red bell peppers at home. I had even those, so I have used them in the recipe. You can carry out with just the green bell pepper or the capsicum. Now take the cabbage and place it vertically with the base facing towards the chopping board and slit it vertically into two halves. Now put one half aside and take the remaining other half and place it on the chopping board such that the flat surface is facing towards the chopping board. Now slit this into two parts again. Now put one part aside. We'll be using only the other part for the recipe. Now here this is stalk what you see. So we need to remove the stalk here. So hold this piece of cabbage in your hand. Bend it backwards slightly and with the help of the knife give a diagonal cut on this so that the stalk gets separated. Now the next step is to remove certain inner layers of the cabbage. So here I am removing all these layers as shown in the video. Now take the remaining cabbage, place it on the chopping board, press it slightly and then start slicing the cabbage. The cabbage I have chosen here is a little bigger in size, so I have again chopped the slices into half. Now let's take an onion, cut the top and base of the onion, cut it into two halves and place it flat over the chopping board and start slicing it. The next step is to prepare the sauces mixture. In a bowl, add about 1 teaspoon of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of green chili sauce, 1 teaspoon of red chili sauce and 1 teaspoon of soya sauce. Mix all these sauces together and keep this bowl aside. In a pan, pour some water and let the water come to boil. Meanwhile, add 1 teaspoon of salt and also 1 teaspoon of oil. Add about 150 grams of noodles. Remember not to overcook the noodles because if we overcook, they turn soggy. Now drain the noodles and rinse them with cold water. Then add about 1 teaspoon of oil so that the noodles do not become sticky. In a pan, add about 2 tablespoons of oil and 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic. Then add the onions and let the onions cook for about 2 to 3 minutes till they become translucent. After the onions have turned translucent, add the vegetables, that is bell peppers, carrot and cabbage. Let the vegetables cook on high flame for about 1 minute and on medium flame for about 4 minutes and the veggies will be done. Then add about 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. This will help to retain the beautiful color of the vegetables. Now add the noodles into the vegetables and start mixing them. Remember not to overcook the vegetables in this recipe. Add salt and white pepper powder. Gently fluff and mix the noodles. Now add the prepared sauces mixture and mix everything well once again. Repeat the same mixing process. Try to lift up the noodles and gently fluff and mix them along with the vegetables. The next step is to add the spring onions. Here I have used homegrown spring onions which are little bit thin and slender, unlike the store-bought ones which are little thicker. Chop these spring onions into either 1/2 inch or 1 inch pieces. Now add the spring onions to the noodles and the noodles are ready to be served. I haven't added any Ajinomoto or aromat powder in this recipe. You can add if you would like to. If you like this video, do check the other recipes on my channel as well. Enjoy and subscribe for more.